So welcome back to today class. Today we're talking about some Sumif, even plus. How do you make use of those function in Excel? So many people do not know the difference between this. So I would like to share more knowledge on that. Let me start with this plus sign. So how do you make use of it? Now this is very you can use it to add two or more cells together. So not many more cells because when we're having a large data set, we want to have large numbers. You find it difficult to use plus sign. So let's see. You can also use it to just add two or more cells. Let's say I want to add the cell water pump 1 and water pump 2 together. So how do I do it? I've already written my plot is equal to, that is the first thing in Excel you want to add. Is equal to, then we say this, can you see, plus this. So it give us what? Can we see? So that is plus sign. I also add more to it. Maybe I want to add, you always write your plus sign plus, I want to add this one to it. Can we see? You can also add more to it. So but imagine I want to add all these cells. So for me that means doing that will take a lot of times. So that is when I need what? I need sum. Are we getting it now? That is when I need what? I need sum. So how do we make use of sum? So you say it's equal to, so use your sum formula. You see it, we display it here. So once you display it, you double click on it. So once you double click on it, you can see the range. So you can I know I want to add everything here. What you just do is that what? So you click here. So once you click on it, so that means it's showing that you want to add everything in E. Can we see? So you are telling the Excel to add everything in this store cost. Store cost. You want to add everything there. So what do? You just enter. You can see I have it. So instead of using some, then another thing, instead of using some using plus to be adding it one by one, some will do it once in a while. It will just do it without wasting time. In short period of time, it will do it. Now the next thing is you can also use some maybe to select the one you want to add. For example, now I want to add I want to add the the first five water pump together. This is it. This one, the water pump, the first five water pumps together, the first five products. Can you see this water pump? I want to add them together. So the first five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we do? So what do? We just select. Can we see? We select this. Can we see? So put your comma. Select this. So you still want to add more again, put your comma. So you want to select another water pump. No, this net is not water pump, so I need to come here. Then you put your comma. So another water pump there. You come here, you put your comma. Then you come here, you put your what? Comma. So that is it on that. So what do? You enter. So can you see? With that, you're able to add. So that means you can use it to select. So select your the product or something that the number that you want to add. You can select it and skip one, then you move to the next one. So that is one of the thing that sum can do, but add cannot do that. Now the next one is when you now we want to add based on what? Based on based on criteria. Based on criteria. So what do we do to add based on what? On criteria. What do? We want to use what? Sum if. Sum if. Now, no, this one I was doing that I was adding only water pump. It will also take time. But I only had the first five. But I want to add all. I want to add this the total cost of all the water pump that we have in this column. the cost of all the water pump I have in this column. If I use this one, it will take time. Maybe we have like uh, thousands of data. Yeah, it will be very difficult for us to do that. So, but with some if, we can make use of that. So, what do? We use the what is equal to sum if. So you press that. So you select the criteria. So what is the criteria? Is what is water the production. Can we see? Yeah, sorry, the range, rather, the range. You select this. So that is your range. Now, so you put comma. So what do you want? What is the criteria? That means the criteria is what we want only the water pump. So look at the way it's being typed there. So that is how you type it. So can we see? So water pump. We now type water pump. That is what we need. We'll write water pump, water pump, water pump. Can we see that? So then comma. So after that, so sum range. What do you want is to sum? So you want it to sum. It depends on what you want. Maybe I want to sum the cost of the store cost, or I want to sum the what the sale price, or I want to sum the what the profit, or anything, or the combination that I want to sum. So let's see. We want to sum the what the store cost, because we did it for the first one. Let's sum the store cost. The store cost for all the water pump there. So what do we do again? You click on it. Can we see? Once you click on it, so what do? You just enter. So can we see? This give me the cost of all the water pump there. And let's do another thing. Let's find the profit made from. Let's find the profit made from using sum if again. We are still using sum if again. Still making use of sum if to find the profit made from the sale of pool cover. Let's see the profit made from the sales of uh pool cover. Let's see, this is the pool cover here. Can we see? So what is the range? The range is there. Can we see? So now this time around we don't need water pump. What do we need? We need what? Pool cover. So what do? We type it there. You type it, your column. Always remember that. You type it, pool. Sorry. Pool cover. So now what do you want is to return? Like what sum rig? What should it sum? I said we need the what? We need the profits. Can you see? This time around we don't need the what the stock of, we need the profit made from pool cover. Start sales of all the pool cover. So what do we do? Can we see? We have done that. So we enter. So we made the profit made is what? 800 and what? 42.1 from the sales of pool cover. Can we see? So profit made, we can just write this there. Profit made from pool cover. So you can write it there. So that is it. So profit made from that. So we have what? 842.1. I believe this is very clear. So we're able to discuss plus, sum if, and what? And a sum if to add the store cost, and sum if to also know the profit made from the what? From the sales of what? Of pool cover. So I think, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends so that you can also benefit from it. Thank you.